Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for unemployment in New York City. First, let's cover eligibility. To qualify, you must have worked in New York and earned enough wages in the past 18 months. You also need to be ready, willing, and able to work, and your unemployment must not be due to your own fault. Understanding these initial criteria is crucial before you begin the application process. Before you start your application, it's essential to gather all necessary documents. You will need your Social Security number, a valid driver's license or state identification, and your current contact information. Also, prepare a detailed list of your employment history for the past 18 months, including employer names, addresses, and your gross earnings. Knowing the reasons for leaving each job is also very important. Once you have all your information, you can submit your application. The easiest way is online through the New York State Department of Labor website. If you prefer, or if internet access is an issue, you can also apply by phone. The online process usually takes about 20 to 30 minutes. Be sure to answer all questions accurately and completely, especially regarding your work history and job search activities. After applying, there are a few crucial next steps. You must certify for benefits every single week to continue receiving payments. You will also get a monetary determination, which explains your weekly benefit amount. Typically, it takes about 3 to 6 weeks to receive your first payment. Remember, while receiving benefits, you are expected to actively search for new employment opportunities.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.